Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare a very famous South Indian summer recipe, Jigarthanda. For this we need few almond gums. Soak this in water overnight. We need around 2 teaspoons of almond gums for each glass, so adjust the quantity accordingly. Soaked almond gums will be like this. I am going to make 2 glasses of Jigarthanda. For that I need half a liter of milk. We are going to reduce this to half of the quantity. Let us add a little sugar, around 2 teaspoons. The milk got reduced to half of its quantity. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of water. For the safer side, I am adding little water. If you want, you can avoid it. And we are going to caramelize the sugar. The sugar got caramelized and it is golden brown now. To this, we are going to add the thickened milk. Let us give this a nice mix. Caramelized sugar will give a nice color and flavor. You have to refrigerate this. Now take a bowl, add quarter cup of milk. To this add a teaspoon of sugar. Give a nice mix and refrigerate. Once both the milk are cool, we can start preparing the Jigarthanda. Here I am going to prepare 2 glasses of Jigarthanda. To each glass you have to add around 2 teaspoons of soaked almond gum. Next add 1 tablespoon of syrup in each glass. Here I am using Nanari syrup. Both almond gum and Nanari makes your body cool. To this add the reduced milk. Add little normal milk. Pour the rest of the reduced milk equally. Give everything a nice mix. And top the glasses with a scoop of ice cream. Finally, top this with few chopped almonds. You can serve this as it is, or if you want this even more creamy, just give this a nice mix. And top this with more ice cream and some more chopped almonds. Finally add some Nanari syrup. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.